Michael Smith here, the beach maker. And tonight, I'm dropping the bomb on you. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Mobster Artillery Bombs. Oh yeah! Woo! This is a 6-piece ball shell kit. Oh, let me say, Mobster is another house brand of Shelton Fireworks. And the motto here is, so loud it's criminal. Oh yeah! And we're going to shoot them off tonight. But before that, let's break this box down and see what we got going on. Alright, so here's the box. Mobster Artillery Bombs. This is a 6-piece ball shell artillery set. And we have a knife here. Let's cut this bad boy open. Alright, it comes with nice gleaming gold shells. These are 1.75 shells, your normal size ball shell. Comes with 6 of them, of course. Alright, it comes with a cardboard tube, your standard cardboard tube for these artillery sets. And then once again it comes with some instructions. Alright, so you get cardboard tube, plastic base, 6 artillery ball shells. A cool box. These are the Mobster Artillery Bombs. And you see it fit nicely in the tube. And you see it fit nicely in the tube. Alright, there's a quick look at the Mobster Artillery Bombs. Their motto is so criminal it's loud. We're going to see tonight if that holds true. Okay, so when the sun goes down, we will light up the skies with these artillery bombs. Alright guys, it's nighttime on the beach. I'm about to drop the bomb on you. I'm talking about these Mobster Artillery Bombs. This is a 6-shot kit, so get ready for some explosions. Alright, this is Mobster Artillery, Shell 1. Go ahead. Alright.
You stupid stuff.
Good heavens. So we only got one at a time. Very nice. hope you guys enjoyed those artillery bombs by Mobster. Another brand by Shelton Fireworks. Alright, I'm Michael Smith Beach Banger, and we're at Cape Sandblast. Good evening, and keep banging.